be walking you guys through a demo of our solution. Because we've been talking about how difficult it can be to book rooms with current solutions. So we thought to make that a lot easier, and I'm going to show you real quick here how easy it could be to leverage Raspberry Pis and IBM Cloud to create a really sound booking solution. So for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to be clicking this button down here. If you were to put the Raspberry Pi around in an office, you would actually just probably activate it via voice, right? Have it sitting in rest, and you could then activate it with your voice. But for the purposes of this demo, we're going to be clicking this button right here. So we can see right here, it says, "Hi Laura, I am your booking assistant. How may I assist you?" Let's say I need to book a room because I am running around the office and I need to meet with my manager real quick before the end of this week. So say, I need to book a room. Now it's going to be sending it back to the IBM Cloud, so it may take a second. You could speed this up obviously, but for the purposes of this demo, it might lag a little bit. Oh, that was too slow.
Yes, I can help you book a room. How many people are going to be in your meeting?
So, you can see how easy it is to just say, I need to book a room. It knows exactly what I'm looking for. Yes, I can help you book a room. How many people are you going to be in your meeting? You could say multiple different things, right? The power of the IBM Cloud is actually that it would understand you in multiple languages. I could say, I want to book a room, book room. I've actually said it heard me as both room, and it took it. It just scores it on a confidence level. So it just asked me, how many people are going to be in your meeting? Let's say 7. 7. So it might take a little second here. There you go. You can see it read mine.
Meeting size recorded. What day will your meeting be on?
So, you could see, like, even without having this visual right here, it speaks very clear and it understands what you're saying. So you could save tons of time by not interacting with screens and multiple dashboards and simply just activating with voice. So just ask me, what day will your meeting be on? Well, it's Tuesday. I need to get it done by today. Me and my team need to meet with our manager. So we'll say Tuesday. Now you could say today, but I'm just saying Tuesday for the purpose
Day of meeting
demo.
recorded. What time do you want to schedule your meeting for?
So fantastic. Now it asks me as a time. So this is a dialogue that you can set up, and you can make this as complex as you want. But for the purposes of this demo, we made it fairly simple. But you could make it as complex as you want. You could activate different APIs, meaning that you could just when you tell the chatbot to do something, it could do it. It doesn't have to just speak to you. And that's really the power of the IBM Cloud. So it asked me, what time do you want to schedule your meeting for? Let's say 4 p.m. To touch on that it could do stuff. It could basically store data. It could retrieve data from a cloud database somewhere in the IBM Cloud.
Let's confirm your reservation. I have a meeting on a room 21 to 349 is available at this time with a capacity of 12. Would you like me to make the reservation?
Fantastic. And so ultimately, one of the things that you'll have to do is set up, your room map and the capacities of your room, and then ultimately track if you were to push this to actual use, you would have to track the availability. But that would be very simple with the IBM Cloud, because this solution, Watson Assistant, and all this integrates really easily with the other services that are offered in the IBM Cloud. So just ask me, would you like to make this reservation? I'll be nice. I'll say, yes, please.
Great. Your room is booked. Have a nice day.
Fantastic. And so after this, if you were ultimately to push this to market, right, or you use a solution in an office, then you would say, do this. And the do would be to book the room and say it is no longer available. But that would be really easy. That's a feature that we did not add for this purposes, but that we just wanted to demonstrate how easy it is to interact with this. So I'm going to go back to the presentation, and in this demo,